Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, students? Alhamdulillah, students. In the previous lesson, we already read about Haraka, Fatha, Zamma, and Kasra very well, and how to read when Zamma, Fatha, and Kasra attached with letters, and how the pronunciation, and we read also the note that the haraka we read not neither to prolong and neither to read with jerk, but we read it normal like a, e, u, and also we read how to read without spell and how to read with spell. Okay, so in this lesson we read the remaining letters of the same lesson the moments. Now I'm going to open the page. Yesterday and then previous lesson we have already read two letter kaf to here. Now we start from here the next letters from here from jim. So we start with the name of Allah with ta'awuz and tasmiyah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This letter is Jim. Jim Fatha Ja Jim Kasra Ji Jim Zammaju Ja Ji Ju without spell. Okay, we read without spell like Ja Ji Ju. Next letter is Sheen. Sheen Fatha Sha Sheen Kasra Shi Sheen Dhamma Shu Sha Shi Shu without spell. Okay, Sha Shi Shu. Now we read the whole line without spelling. Okay, Ja Ji Ju Sha Shi Shu. Now the next letter Ya. This letter is Ya. Ya Fatha Ya Ya Kasra Yi Ya Dhamma Yu without spelling. Ya Yi Yu. Next letter is Dad. Dad Fatha Da Dad Kasra Di Dad Dhamma Du. Now without spelling. Da Di Du. Now we read the whole line without spelling. Ya Yi Yu Da Di Du. Now the next letter Lam. Lam Fatha La Lam Kasra Li Lam Dhamma Lu. Now without spelling. La Li Lu. Next is Noon. This letter is Noon. Noon Fatha Na Noon Kasra Ni Noon Dhamma Nu. Now without spelling. Na Ni Nu. Now we read the whole line without spelling. La Li Lu Na Ni Nu. Now the next letter is Ra. Ra Fatha Ra. Ra Kasra Ri. Ra Dhamma Ru. Now here another rule is that if Ra has Fatha or Zamma on Ra, so we read the Ra bold like Ra and Ru. If Ra has the sign of the Haraka of Kasra below the Ra, so we read Ra light. Okay, Ri. Okay, now we read without without spelling. Ra, Ri, Ru. Next letter is Ta, bold Ta. Okay, Ta, Fatha, Ta, Ta, Kasra, Ti, Ta, Zamma, Tu. Without spelling. Ta, Ti, Tu. Now we read these letters without spelling. Ra, Ri, Ru, Ta, Ti, Tu. Next letter is Dal. Dal Fatha Da. Dal Kasra Di. Dal Dhamma Du. Now without spelling. Da, Di, Du. Next letter is Ta. Ta Fatha Ta. Ta Kasra Ti. Ta Zamma Tu. Without spelling. Ta, Ti, Tu. Now we read the whole line without spelling. Da, Di, Du, Ta, Ti, Tu. Next one is Sad. Next letter is Sad. Sad Fatha Sa. Sad Kasra Si. Sad Dhamma Su. Now without spelling. Sa, Si, Su. Next letter is Sin. Sin Fatha Sa. Sin Kasra Si. Sin Dhamma Su. Sa without spelling. Si, Su. Now we read the whole line without spelling. Sa, Si, Su, Sa, Si, Su. Now the next letter is Za. Za Fatha Za. Za Kasra Zi. Za Zamma Zu. Now without spelling. Za, Zi, Zu. Next is Za, bold. Za Fatha Za. Za Kasra Zi. Za Zamma Zu. Now without spelling. Za, Zi, Zu. Now we read the whole line without spelling. Za, Zi, Zu. Za, Zi, Zu. Now some more letters of this lesson. We just complete it. Now I'm going to open the next page. Now this is the some previous letter of the lesson. So here the next letter is Zal. Zal Fatha Za. Zal Kasra Zi. Zal Zamma Zu. Without spelling. The, Zi, Zu. Next letter is Sa. Sa Fatha Sa. Sa Kasra Si. Sa Zamma Su without spelling. Sa Si Su. Now the whole line without spelling. The The Zu Sa Si Su. Now next letter is Fa. Fa Fatha Fa. Fa Kasra Fi. Fa Dhamma Fu without spelling. Fa Fi Fu. Next letter is Waw Fatha Wa. Waw Kasra Wi. Waw Dhamma Wu without spelling. Wa Wi Wu. Now read with the whole line without spelling. Fa Fi Fu Wa Wi Wu. Next letter is Ba. Ba Fatha Ba. Ba Kasra Bi. Ba Dhamma Bu without spelling. Ba Bi Bu. Next letter, last letter is Mim. Mim Fatha Ma. Mim Kasra Mi. Mim Dhamma Mu without spelling. Ma Mi Mu. Now we read the whole line without spelling. Ba Bi Bu Ma Mi Mu. So dear student, Alhamdulillah, we also complete the lesson of Haraka, the movements with the name of Allah. Alhamdulillah. So inshallah, students, yesterday, tomorrow with the next lesson, inshallah, we start the lesson, another next lesson, the Tanween, okay? So this is enough for today, inshallah. See you with another lesson. Jazakallah khair wa ahsan al jaza. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.